Alrighty, hello everybody, it's your girl Nikki B with B Living Beauty, and I am coming to you with this ma'am right here, and we're gonna go through how to mold, how to do a proper mold on the hair. She had concerns about how to mold her hair at home. If you look through the videos, there's already some videos listed on how to mold your own hair, but I'm gonna show you guys on her how I mold a short haircut, as well as so she can have a reference to go back through these videos for herself to see how to mold her hair, and so that you can also see how to mold your hair or someone else's. So stay tuned. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just applying a leave-in conditioner to her hair. I apply that to all of my clients to protect their hair from just regular elements, heat styling, and what have you, because you know we can get a little reckless. Are we doing a part or no part? Part. Okay. So she likes a part. I'm one that's typically not partial to parts. So on my other video, you will see a mold without a part, but I am going to do hers with a part. So I go ahead and I separate it strategically first so that my part is clean. Go ahead and do that. And just a guide for you. The eyebrows are always something, everything in our face is points. So we use the arch of the eyebrow. That is where your part technically should go. So this is, let me see, her brow arch is here. And there is the part. So we are spot on unless she wants it someplace else. I'm gonna go ahead and show her. Is that part that's good? Perfect, thank you. Pump her up so you can see. I'm going to comb through the hair to make sure there's no knots, tangles, or anything of that sort, which will make it easier once we apply the product. And the molding foam that I prefer to use is the Essations Naked by Essations Max Foam. You can get it on the website or you can purchase it in salon, but it is available on our website at www.blornbeauty.com. And I like to make sure it's on there good and spread. As you see, it's there, it's covering, and pretty much her hair is already flat. We just did a fresh relaxer, but even still, that foam is the truth. And what you need to do, I'm gonna go ahead and try to move it up a little bit. Alrighty. Starting from the top and using a fine tooth comb, I'm going to comb down and smooth behind the comb as I comb down. And the smoothing is making sure that all the wrinkles are mended together, as well as we don't have any parts. Like this right here, you can see I did not go over it with my hand, so there's a gap. So we're gonna go over that and press down, and that smooths all that out. And we do that in its entirety around the head. Even at the part right here, we go down, smooth. Right here, this is around the face. I like to do face framing because with short hair, the good thing about it is you can actually just wear the mold. And if you feel like your phone, my phone probably just going away because I'm trying to, for teaching purposes. You just kind of do a little S motion to swoop it because it's all in the cut. If she wanted to rock just her mold, she could do so. We make sure it's neat around the ear because if you have it bunched up, it will dry that way as well as take longer to dry. And we swoop that. I like to have mine swooping toward the ear as opposed to away, but the preference is yours. Making sure that's smooth, there's no ridge there because we're not doing finger waves, we're just making S motion pattern. And we go ahead and we do the same on this side. Here's her part over here. I'm smoothing that out. Combing out underneath and smoothing down. I'm smoothing it out before I try to do anything fancy. That's another part folks go wrong at. Want to do the foundations first before you start getting fancy. Now we're going to go ahead and do the face framing here. And make sure you clean that up as you go. And sometimes right here it gets tricky because you can kind of put one here and then end up with your swoop. I like for both my sideburns to match. So sometimes I'll do this here. We're gonna form the sideburn, but I don't like that gap there. So I might come in and add a smaller wave here. Put a little bit more product on it. Towards the eyebrow. Come back in, mend that together, and voila. Don't be afraid to use the edge or the tail of your comb. That's why you need a rat tail comb to do just kind of fine detailing. I like to finishing things is what makes it look nice and neat and give you that option to be able to wear it as is. And there we have it. It's a perfect mold with the plot. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next video. And get you some good wrapping foam. I don't like to really use the blue stuff. Okay, bye.